Hey everyone, welcome to Valor's channel. Today I'll show you what to do if voice chat in Roblox isn't working or if you can't find the tab. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Content Restrictions, Communications and Chat. Make sure both options are enabled, including voice chat. Check that voice chat is turned on. If you don't see this button, you're likely too young or have the wrong age set. To fix this, contact support and request to change your birth date. You'll need to provide some form of ID or verification. Remember, some games don't have voice chat or it's only available in-game. Go to Help Center, click Roblox account, then See More and How to Change My Age. That's all for now. This has been Vela. See you later.